In this video, we're going to learn how to blur a video, which means softening the entire clip using a blur effect. Blurring is useful when you want to hide sensitive information, reduce distractions, or create a soft background effect. Let's begin. First, select the clip on your timeline that you want to blur. Now go to the effects panel. In the search box, type blur. You'll notice that Premiere Pro shows different styles of blur effects. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Gaussian blur because it gives a smooth and natural blur result. Drag the Gaussian blur effect and drop it onto your clip. Now go to the Effect Controls panel. Inside Effect Controls, you'll see Gaussian blur listed with its settings. Increase the blurriness value slowly. As you increase the value, the video becomes softer and more blurred. And if you want a stronger blur, simply increase the value further. You'll also see an option called Repeat Edge Pixels. Make sure to enable this option so you don't get dark edges around the frame when the blur is strong. All the blur adjustments are controlled inside the Effect Controls panel. And that's it. You now know how to blur a video using Gaussian blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.